Alright, I'm gonna set this down here.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern DeKalb County in north central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeast Illinois until 5:30 p.m. At 5:02 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Genoa and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hampshire, Gilbert, Burlington and Pingree Grove. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.